Here's a video recording of why I started Appomax. I grew up surrounded by machines, control panels, and automation. My father started a company called Appomax back in the 1988, distributing sensors, panel meters from brands like Banner Engineering, Baloof, and Red Lion Controls. Appomax then grew into one of Thailand's leading automation distributor. At its peak, it was doing over $12 million a year with strong margins and great relationships with customers. I learned early on how manufacturers and automation can truly transform industries. Over time, things change. The market that once relied on relationships and expertise become dominated by global players. Multinational wholesale distributors stepped in and started acquiring local market. Sonepar, for example, bought two of Thailand's biggest electrical distributors. Now they handle more than 60% of Schneider's electric business in the country. At the same time, many brands ended their exclusive partnership. Some even opened up their own subsidiaries to sell directly against us. What used to be a value-driven business turned into a race to the bottom on price and logistics. Margin collapsed and the focus shifted away from solving problems to just moving boxes. That's when I realized if I wanted to keep creating real values for customers, I had to completely rethink the model. I've always loved technology, especially IT and computing. Even though I'm not a coder, I've always been good at connecting systems to solve problems. During the COVID year, I have had time to explore that passion. I started experimenting with industrial IoT hardware from our existing suppliers and began connecting it with cloud platforms like AWS. That's when it clicked for me and I started deep diving into industrial digital transformation. I first built industrial IoT department inside Appomax to test this idea. Bootstrapping Appomax's sales channel, developing the AWS partnership, and figuring out what works and what doesn't. In 2023, I started my own group, Appomax. Today, it includes 4 companies: Appomax for software and professional services, Apex Automation for turnkey system integration, IoTech for hardware, and Starseeds Venture as the holding company. We are now a team of 23 people, partnering with AWS, Neuron, Ignition, Tulip, Snowflake, and many others, helping Thailand industry digitally transform. My vision for Appomax is simple: to make smart manufacturing easily accessible, not just for large corporations, but for every manufacturer ready to take the next step. We believe in open, composable, and affordable solution that empowers manufacturers to build their own digital future. Things have changed and we have changed with them. Same goal: to create value, not just move products. That's why I started Appomax. I'm Vikan, founder of Appomax, and this is our story.